I can see now why you have to make a pie for every family member in your family. It's a little creamier, it's a little smoother, but you can still taste it. Eggnog is a holiday season staple. But did you know Virginia has a connection to modern-day eggnog? The drink first became known as Eggengrog and later as eggnog. It is believed that eggnog began in Europe as early as the 13th century. Medieval monks in Britain were known to drink posset, a warm ale punch with eggs and figs. Over time, this likely merged with the various milk and wine punches often served at social gatherings. English colonists brought recipes for eggnog when they settled here in Virginia. They transformed it in today's version by adding rum and bourbon. Now, many families have developed their own eggnog recipes. Eric Bunkowski in Richmond, Virginia makes his own eggnog that has its origins in Shanghai. So Eric, we are here making eggnog. So why is eggnog so important like this time of year?
This time of year is all about traditions and things that you don't do at other times of the year, and that makes eggnog special.
Yeah. Eric separates the egg yolks, adds sugar, dairy, and a good amount of bourbon, rum, and cognac, and voila, eggnog. So this can either be consumed now or aged, right?
You can consume it right away if you want. I think it only gets better with age.
A lot of people have issues with the use of raw eggs.
And because of the high alcohol content in this, any concerns about bacteria from the eggs, it's all taken care of by the alcohol after a week or two. Cheers.
Cheers, man. Thank you so much. That is delicious. And it's actually not too harsh. I could see where it would, it would settle down a little bit, but that's actually really, really tasty. But you can still taste it. Eric, thank you so much for sharing this recipe with us. This eggnog is absolutely amazing.
I hope other people will enjoy some aged eggnog this season.
Absolutely, yep. I will. Since brandy and wine were heavily taxed, rum from the Caribbean was a cost-effective substitute. The inexpensive liquor, coupled with farm and dairy products available to colonists, helped the drink become very popular in America. Shell Brooks Brown of Prince George, Virginia, uses eggnog to make an amazing sweet potato pie.
The star of the pie is the eggnog. It includes the nutmeg as well as a little rum.
I helped Cheryl by adding white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. I'm making a mess.
Let's do the eggnog. No, stop right there.
Okay.
And one day when I was making my pie, I just said, you know what? I bet you I could use eggnog to replace the cream and the nutmeg and the sugar.
So can we go ahead and put this in the oven and have a taste after perhaps?
Sure can. You're going to be my taste tester.
All right. First of all, I'm never leaving. This is absolutely delicious. Cheryl, I'm going to keep eating, but I do want to thank you for sharing this recipe with us. It's a unique way of using eggnog. So thank you very much. I'm going to keep eating.
I'm going to join you.
Whether you like traditional eggnog or eggnog in your pie, it's sure to be a favorite during this holiday season. And now you even learn a bit of the hidden history of eggnog.